Hi everyone, this is John and I'm from House of Haunts. I wanted to share my experience with LitCommerce's customer service and support team. When I first started using LitCommerce, I had a few questions about setting up my multi-channel integration. I mean, who doesn't, right? New platforms can be very intimidating at first. But from the moment I reached out, their customer service representatives were incredibly responsive and helpful. Their team took the time to understand my specific needs and provided detailed, step-by-step guidance. They were patient and made sure I was comfortable with each part of the setup process. One thing that really stands out to me is their willingness to go above and beyond. Whenever I encounter an issue, whether it's a technical glitch or just need advice on best practices, they are always quick to respond and resolve the problem efficiently. Now, what amazes me the most is how we work together as a team. If I have a suggestion, they listen, they consider it, and implement it if they can. They know the importance of running a business, and their support is what makes it run. They understand that sellers know what they need to make their business successful, and they do everything they can to ensure it runs smoothly. This collaborative approach really makes a difference. And what I appreciate the most is their personal touch they bring to the service. It's clear that they genuinely care about their customers' success. It feels like having a dedicated partner in our business journey, not just a service provider. Overall, my experience with LitCommerce customer service has been exceptional. They provide outstanding support that is prompt, thorough, and genuinely supportive. There's absolutely no way, and I mean this, there's absolutely no way I could run my business as efficiently and effectively as I do without their help. If you're considering using LitCommerce, know that their customer service team will be there to help you every step of the way. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helps you feel confident in choosing LitCommerce for your business needs. Happy selling.